Hello and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. Also, it's my pleasure to say that thankfully the gold signal which we have sent last Sunday has indeed worked very well and reversed exactly from the given price of the buy and went all the way to the take profit level, making more than 600 pips of profit. Congratulations for those who have taken it. And again, if you have taken this signal, please share with us in the comments and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and please share the video. Also, I would like to say something, guys. This signal was really good, but it doesn't mean that every signal of the gold we're about to send here is gonna work like a charm like this one. This was, I think, I would say like 80% analysis, 20% luck. Because actually, I will be honest with you, I have actually sent a notification on my Telegram channel telling of everyone to close this signal with 110 pips of profit, because the daily and 4-hour time frame price action is not promising for any more rising. Well, I was wrong. My original analysis actually has paid off. It was right, and thankfully the market rose again to reach the take profit level. So again, it was indeed an excellent signal, but that doesn't mean that the signal you're about to receive right now in this video will be also a winner. We have to always consider that Forex market can never be loyal every day. This signal might fail. That is actually my disclaimer for anyone who has actually felt overwhelmed with the signal which I'm sending here on YouTube. So they will think that every time this guy is gonna send us a winning signals. No, it doesn't happen, unfortunately. I have many times actually sent the signals for the gold which actually have failed miserably. So let's now see what we can do next with the gold. And as usual, before we start again, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, my original analysis for this signal was actually assuming that the gold will respect this level of a previous support and a structure of a resistance right here, and that is exactly what happened. Now, the reason to choose the take profit level was actually the resistance right here we have at 2,394. Now, let me just tell you something. I'm going to delete everything here and start from scratch. Now, the right way to draw the resistance line, when you see a peak like this one right here, the right way to draw the resistance line in a way that the market usually is going to reverse from will be exactly right here. Now, it will not be right here at the peak of the resistance. It will not be at the exact closing price of the candle. It will be right here exactly. Now, why right here precisely? Because look at that structure right here. So we have here a strong resistance level. Now, the right way to draw your line of the resistance line should be when the line itself, this one, the vertical, the horizontal or vertical, I'm not sure. Anyway, this line right here is actually touching every single tail in the structure. Every single one of them. So if I draw my line like this, like that, for example, well, you are ignoring those levels of resistance as well. If you think the market will continue the rise till it reach this level of a resistance, you might be wrong, because you have drawn your resistance line in a wrong way. You ignored those levels of resistance as well. If you draw your line in a way that actually you place it exactly on the closing price, look at that, the market actually has exceeded your entry. So where is the right place to draw the resistance line? It will be exactly like that. Now, the line here, this line right here is actually touching every single wick in this pattern. So anyway, now we can see that the gold is indeed reversing on this level. Now, I'm not saying that the gold will continue the fall. I'm not seeing this happening, but since we're talking about Thursday and Friday only, and mainly Thursday today, I'm assuming that the gold will continue the fall till it reach that level of a previous support right here, and of course retest a broken level of a resistance. Now at least the market will continue the fall, in my opinion, till it reach that level. So that is gonna be our take profit level. So in other words, we are going to sell the gold from a certain price until it reached 2,362, and that is gonna be our take profit level, just like that. So meaning we will aim around 200 pips. Now moving to the 1 hour time frame. Now, remarkably here on the 1 hour time frame, we actually have inverted head, sorry, not inverted, I mean, we have a head and shoulders pattern has appeared, which means the gold is actually looking to continue the fall, in my opinion. And I think I'm actually late because the gold is already about to fall. So where exactly we can start selling the gold. Moving now to the 15-minute time frame. So right here, based on the 15-minute time frame, what I'm going to do again is simply draw a resistance trend line from this lower high to this higher high, like that, exactly. Now what I will do next is simply drag the very same line that I have drawn here and just simply place it right there, at the next level of a resistance trend line. Check this out. I'm going to move here the line right like that and just zooming in. We need to align it exactly like that. Yes, that is actually perfect. I think that's the perfect hold. Yes. So right there, we have, of course, a previous level of a resistance trend line, a breakout candle, and then support trend line multiple times. And then right here, we have one fake breakout. So therefore, I believe that the best level to sell the gold will be right here exactly when the market reaches the same level of a resistance trend line. And afterward, it will continue the fall. Now, if you want another confirmation, we can actually come up with one by simply draw here a support trend line, as you can see, just like that. And as you can see right here, if we even raise the line a little bit more, right here exactly, we can see that we had here a support trend line, a bearish breakout candle, and then a resistance trend line. And now the market actually has a chance to continue the rise to create here a second attempt of the resistance trend line. So therefore, in my opinion, it's going to be a good idea to sell the gold exactly from that level. And from horizontal level, we can see right here exactly that we had right here a resistance as well, exactly right here at 2,389.59. So waiting for the gold to rise to another 44 pips, I would say, and targeting at least, let me just rise this one a little bit more. 2,366 is going to be our take profit level. So therefore, we can actually aim around 225 pips profit from this signal. Now back to the 4-hour time frame and a safe zone that shouldn't be actually ranging for half than our take profit level. So therefore, if we are aiming around 223 pips, our safe zone will be ranging for about 140 pips. I know it's not exactly the half, but I mean, that is going to be nice. Now, expected a drawdown. Where exactly we can expect a drawdown to happen? I mean, how far we can expect the rate to go against our direction? We also have to consider all of that. To find the answer, of course, we are going to rely on the resistance trend line. So again, even the resistance trend line right here is showing us that we have actually a perfect entry. So to find the exact possible drawdown is, in my opinion, going to be right here. If I just raise the line a little bit more, expect a drawdown till the market reach this level of a resistance right here exactly at 2,397.73. So that is going to be our really safe zone. The extra is going to be like dangerous side because this signal might not be valid until then. However, we will actually look to sell the gold exactly right here at 2,389.59, I would say, to be very precise. And of course, a take profit level that will be ranging till 2,365 only. So again, guys, the original signal is just like that. Oops. I'm not able to draw, but anyway, it's gonna be, this is gonna be the safe zone. This is all the safe zone, but I'm telling you that we have a possible drawdown that actually might be ranging till 2,397 before the market starts the bearish fall. So again, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. I will update you personally right here to tell you what we can do about this signal. For example, if I noticed any sudden strong price action against us, I will update you right here to close the signal right now before it reach our stop loss. Or I might tell you to close it right now in a good profit because the price action is no longer valid. So again, the link to join this group can be found in the description below of the video, and you can actually find it right here in front of you. You can search this group, Xtreme Trader Signals. And please be aware of the scammers who actually have been using our name and logo to fool their victims, making them thinking that they are Xtreme Trader and they're asking them to send funds to trade. Of course, we never do that. So until then, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.